Hi everyone, it's Aska here. In this video, I will show you how to make flower bowl for nail art. This cute flower blooming inside a transparent bowl is also made of gel. These flower bowls can be used not only as nail parts, but also as resin accessories. I will explain in an easy to understand manner how to make a flower with dip and points to note, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. In this video, I'll be applying it to nail tips, but if you're applying it to your own nails, start with nail care, lightly sand the surface, remove any oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and cure with the light. First, I'll apply the base color gel before making the flower bowl. In this case, I'll apply this light purple color to the entire nail. After applying it to the entire nail, cure it. One coat is too light, so apply a second coat and cure it. Now, let's move on to making the flower bowl. First, prepare a spatula or similar tool with a sharp tip. It doesn't have to be the same thing. You can use something thin and sharp like a toothpick or a wire. Also, prepare some small gold beads and icing gel. First, put a small amount of icing gel on the tip of the spatula and attach about 7 or 8 beads to it. Shape it into a sphere using a wooden stick. And then harden it in the light as it is. Next, while still in this state, dip the beads into the icing gel. When dipping, make sure to immerse the beads all the way down to this part. Apply enough gel so that all the beads are covered in gel. And then roll them around to shape them into a bowl. When you have a nice round bowl, cure it with the light. Next, prepare some pink gel and draw the petals. Take a small amount of color gel on an aluminum foil or palette, and then blend the gel into a short art brush. Next, mark the position where the bowl will be divided into 3 equal parts when viewed from directly above. At this time, make sure you can see the beads inside from directly above. After making the mark, draw 3 petals, leaving a gap between them so that the petals do not overlap. Make sure to fill the bottom of the bowl thoroughly. After drawing the 3 petals, cure it with the nail light. If the petals are too light after 1 coat, apply 2 coats and cure. Next, to add dips to the petals, dip them again into icing gel. Once you remove it from the icing gel, swirl it around to shape it into a sphere and then harden it with the nail light. Try to keep it round by rotating it while it's under the light. From here, repeat the same process as before. Draw 3 petals, harden them, apply a second coat, and harden them. Dip them in the icing gel and harden them, and repeat this process. As you repeat the process, the bowl will gradually become larger. Try placing it near your nail from time to time and decide how big you want it to be. When it has reached a suitable size, add petals to the outside of the bowl and harden them. The flower bowl is now complete. Now, let's put this flower bowl on your nail. First, wipe off the sticky uncured gel that is still on the surface. Use a kitchen paper with ethanol on it to wipe it off. Next, pull on the flower bowl and remove it from the spatula. Next, use a file to scrape off the surface that will be attached to the nail, making it flat. If you scrape off too much, you will end up scraping off the petals as well, so only scrape off a little. Now, let's attach the finished flower bowl to the nail. Take some base coat or glue gel and place it at the base of the nail. First, place the flower bowl. While checking the balance, add any other parts you like, such as crystals or beads. After attaching the flower bowl and crystals, cure it. Finally, apply a no-wipe top coat to finish it off. This time, I'll apply a glossy no-wipe top coat to the flower bowl and a no-wipe matte coat to the rest of the nail. Once you've applied the top coat to the whole nail, cure it with the light. Now it's complete. The flower bowl has been completed into a very cute design. How did you like the flower bowl nail art? It can be used as nail parts or resin accessories as well. so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.